Hello students, welcome to online teaching eSuvidya. In previous classes, we have already discussed the chapter Air Pollution, a Hidden Menace. Today, we will discuss about the cause of air pollution. We already know air pollution is caused due to a number of factors. In last class, I have already told you the industrialization is a major factor causing air pollution, and industrialization leads to urbanization. And in industrialization, we came to know the thermal power stations are rated fast, causing air pollution. Then comes cement and ore processing industries, chemical industries, and so on. Today we will read another important cause of air pollution, that is automobiles. So causes of air pollution. The second important cause today we will read, that is automobiles. Automobiles, you know, the vehicles running on the roads every day, both for passengers and for goods, for commodities. So let's read the paragraph 7 and 8 and know about the automobiles and why the number of automobiles is increasing every day and how do they cause air pollution. So look at your books at page 77. The automobile exhausts are in no way less dangerous than the industrial smoke. It is reported that automobiles in Greater Kolkata alone spew about 1500 tons of pollutants into the atmosphere every day. It is stated that a person living in Kolkata, whether he is a smoker or not, is forced to inhale toxic substance equivalent to smoking 2 packets of cigarettes a day. The levels of pollution in cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata, Chennai are equally alarming. To meet the demands of an exploding population, the number of buses flying on the roads are being increased. Equally, a greater number of lorries and other goods carriers are on the move. Along with heavy vehicles, use of cars, jeeps and two-wheelers such as bikes, scooters and mopeds have increased dramatically, all contributing to significant levels of air pollution. Automobiles are responsible for 60% of air pollution in various parts of the world as they release maximum carbon monoxide into the atmosphere. The menace of air pollution attributed to the automobile exhaust has now reached the peak level, and if this trend continues, we may have to wear nasal filters on our nose in future. So dear students, the automobiles cause 60% of air pollution all over the world. Do you know why do we use automobiles? Why is the number of automobiles increasing every day? So due to exploding population. So there are some new words. Let us discuss the exhaust. Exhaust we can use as verb as well as noun. So here the automobile exhaust, that is used as noun, waste gas. The automobiles exhaust carbon monoxide. In that sentence, exhaust is used as verb. automobiles exhaust carbon monoxide into atmosphere. Here exhaust is used as verb, and automobile exhaust are very poisonous. That is noun. So automobile exhaust are in no way less dangerous than the industrial smoke. That means in comparison to industrial smoke, automobile exhaust or the pollutants coming out of the automobiles are in no way less dangerous. That means they are equally dangerous or maybe more dangerous than the industrial smoke. It is reported that automobiles in Greater Kolkata alone spew about 1500 tons of pollutants. Spew, throw out, leaves. So every day in Greater Kolkata, the automobiles exhaust or spew 1500 tons of pollutants into the atmosphere. Do you imagine 1500 tons of pollutant into the atmosphere every day? It is stated that a person living in Kolkata, whether he is a smoker or not, is forced to inhale toxic substance equivalent to smoking 2 packets of cigarettes a day. Inhale. I have already told. Breathe in. We breathe in or we take into our body through our respiratory system the smoke equal to 2 packets of cigarettes. That means a person who lives in Kolkata, whether he is a smoker or non-smoker, that is insignificant. That means everybody, whether smoker or non-smoker, they take into their body the smokes or pollutants, the poisonous substance equal to the smoke of 2 packet cigarettes a day. The level of pollution in cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai are also equally alarming. So this is not the case of Kolkata only. In other metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and in our place, our state capital Bhubaneswar also, the situation is equally alarming, equally dangerous. To meet the demand of an exploding population, the number of buses plying on the roads are being increased. Plying, running. The number of buses running on the road or plying on the road is increasing. Why? Due to exploding population. Explode means increase rapidly. Explode is verb. Explosion, noun. And exploding, that is adjective. So while reading the prose lesson, you must be very careful about the words which can be used as noun, verb, adjective, adverb. So here the exploding population means increasing population. So due to increasing population, the demand for automobiles is also increasing every day. So the number of automobiles, both heavy vehicles and light vehicles. Heavy vehicles like jeep, bus, truck, lorry, and light vehicles, scooter, moped, two-wheelers and three-wheelers like auto rickshaw. So all types of vehicles, their number is increasing rapidly every day. So what is the result of increasing automobiles? Along with heavy vehicles, all types of vehicles number is increasing rapidly. dramatically, all contributing to significant level of air pollution. So, when the number of automobiles is increasing, the rate of pollution is also increasing. Automobiles are responsible for 60% of air pollution in various parts of the world. So, automobiles are responsible for 60% air pollution. So, their participation is more than the industrialization. So, automobiles is rated the highest. So, they cause 60% air pollution all over the world, not only in India. Why? What do they exhaust? They exhaust maximum carbon monoxide. So, what does the automobiles exhaust or leave or release to the atmosphere? Carbon monoxide. It is a poisonous substance. It makes the air polluted. The menace of air pollution attributed to the automobile exhaust has now reached the peak level. So now the air pollution caused by automobiles has reached the peak level, the highest level or the top level. If this trend continues, this process, if this process continues, then we may have to wear nasal filters on our nose in future. So, we have to wear nasal filter. Now, during COVID-19, we are also using mask. So, if this pollution will continue, then we have to wear nasal filters to remain safe from polluted air. Then, the damage caused by pollution is enormous. In money alone, it represents a loss of billions of dollars each year. Many flowers and vegetable crops suffer ill effects from car exhaust. Trees have been killed by pollution from power plants. Cattle have been poisoned by the fumes from smelters and recover aluminium from ore. So, this is the effect of air pollution. We came to know about the cause of air pollution, and the most important cause is automobiles, and then comes industrialization. They are responsible for causing air pollution to a greater extent. So now students, it is clear that how is the air get polluted? What are its important causes? Then in next class, we will know about the effect of polluted air or air pollution in different parts. Thank you.